friend of me is Nokia G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings, now just security and tap on face unlock. Now enter your current login method and tap on setup face unlock. Read the disclaimer and click start at the bottom right corner. Remember to be still. Come on. Okay, finally. So now I have to click down at the bottom right corner, and when I turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!